Hello guys, today we are tying a very small pheasant tail nymph with the micro ribbing in fluorescent pink, which you can barely see with your own eyes, but it's so deadly for trout and grayling. And let's tie the fly up. So we're just going to go all the way back, because now we're gonna put the tail on the hook. And we're using some darker cocktail as tail. Very nice speckled colors on this cocktail. So I just take a few fibers with my hand, put them carefully, and I tie them in on the top of the hook like that. Then I do one more lap, and then I can adjust all the fibers, how long I want them, just like that. Tie these in a little bit, can go all the way to the bead. Perfect. And now we're going to attach the pink UV ribbing material, which is so small and is perfect for very small flies. So I put this in the slot as I do with the wire as well when I tie. And I just secure it, go all the way back, somewhere around there. And we're using pheasant tail ringneck fibers, and we need just a tiny bit of fibers because the fly is so small. And I'm talking like, I think this is 3 fibers of pheasant tail. You don't need more than that. And I like to just carefully tie them in on the side, one wrap, and then I just tie the fibers in with 3 wraps. I go in with my scissor, cut the excess, go all the way to the front. This fly is amazing. I have caught so much big trout and grayling with this. Let's just wrap the pheasant tail carefully. Secure it. Cut it off. And I like to do a few more wraps just like that. Then we take the ribbing material and go the opposite way as the thread. Like that. I really like fishing with pheasant tail nymphs. They are so good. I'm very happy that someone came up with this pattern. And now we're gonna use a tiny pinch of some pink ice dubbing, and we're talking just a few fibers of dubbing, nothing too much going on. With the fingers a little bit. It's easier to make a dubbing noodle if your fingers are a little bit wet. Just like that. And here we have it. We finish. And we are done. A perfectly tied pheasant tail.